Hey, in this lesson, we are going to learn about information architecture. So first of all, what is the relation between information architecture and SEO? In simple terms, SEO is concerned with findability, whereas information architecture is related with usability. So SEO brings people to your site, and then information architecture makes sure they remain on your site for long. So what are the benefits of information architecture and SEO working together? Information architecture is concerned with making sure that the users find their way through your site very easily and comfortably. So once users are on your site, they should find the information at the place where they expect to find it at the fewest clicks possible. For search engines, they should find navigating through your site easily so that they can send out their crawlers and index all your pages. Bounce rate is calculated by the number of users who navigate away from your site after just viewing one page. So, bounce rate is also closely related to your site architecture. If your site architecture is not very smooth, navigation is difficult, the chances that users will exit your site totally is very high. Therefore, SEO today is closely intertwined with the site architecture. SEO experts and information science experts work together in building a great site with content which is easily accessible to the user. Now, when we say easily accessible to the user, we have to start thinking from a user perspective. That is where the user experience, UX, comes into picture. So having a UX expert working closely with the SEO expert is very, very essential so that we can understand how an user is thinking and where exactly is he expecting the content to be in, so that over a period of time your bounce rates start reducing and your SEO rankings also improve because of this change. Another major advantage of having an excellent information architecture system in place is that search engines might reward you by showing your site links. Site links are generally the most viewed pages on a given website. You might have noticed when you search for something on Google or some other search engine, along with the results, some pages are displayed there, list of some pages. These are called site links. This is possible only if you have a good information architecture set up in place. Another advantage of this site link is that it builds credibility amongst users. So when people see along with your website a couple of pages being displayed, it's a signal of authority, it's a signal of a good website, a well-structured website. Before you rush to creating an information architecture, keep a few things in mind. What is the purpose of your website? First of all, you should define what's the purpose, what you're expecting out of this website, who are your target audience, where are they located, what do you expect them to do on your site, and so on. Build a site design, build a site structure based on these parameters in mind. Second, how is your site structured? Generally, sites have three different categories of web pages. One is navigation, one is interaction, and the third is about consumption. Navigation is smooth navigation from page to page, maybe with minimum number of clicks. Interaction is where the user interacts with your organization, maybe the form or a chatbot or so on. And then there is a third is a consumption like blogs, videos, podcasts, where he consumes information. So keep these things in mind while defining an architecture. And finally, two important points. Look at a flat website structure. The era of having a big hierarchy is over. So your user should be able to reach anywhere on your website with 3 clicks at the maximum. Look at your content. The user experience and user interface is very critical. Having a good copy in place is also equally important. So naming terminologies, the naming nomenclature, all these play a very important role in retaining users on your site.